gotten a few nice Trans Ams here lately, and this one's no exception. 1981 Pontiac Trans Am. Of course, 80 and 81 were the standalone years with a 4.9 liter 301 turbo, and that's what this one has in it. It's also an original mile car. When we get around to the interior, I'm going to show you that. And this car is incredibly original, the way it would have came. Has had one repaint into the original color. This was originally a Spectra red car, 75 paint coat on it. As well as the interior. The interior has never been touched. Interior is original. That was 75B. It's actually a medium red cloth interior. I believe on the PHS docks, which we do have, there was a interior group velour that it had. This also has a performance package, WS6. Now, I mentioned the PHS docks, so like I said, check out the docks, any of the other still pictures, undersides, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Transmission was rebuilt approximately 1,500 miles ago. A gentleman that has this car and brought it to us to sell kind of collects low mile vehicles and tries to get ones as original as possible. He's also very fussy. He said the tranny probably didn't need to be rebuilt. Shifted a little bit funny on him once, so he just went ahead and did it, so this car was right. Something else on this one. If you can see through the windshield there, and I'll show more when I get around to it, there are the turbo lights on the hood scoop right there. Those are working on this car. Those were an option in 80, became standard in 81, very rarely work. They are working on this car. As you can see, it's paired with a automatic transmission there as far as that 301 turbo goes. It does have the CC1 Fisher T-top code. And as you can see, I pulled those out for the video so you can see them. See the interior of the car and everything easier. Again, pictured up with and without those in. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, I played around with some of the equipment on this car also, and wipers were working fine. Like I said, I'll click those turbo light on so you can see it. We'll be able to have the normal one will light up for us, and we'll start it up. But anyway, wipers work. AC blows cold. AM/FM stereo worked fine. Now, the one thing I will tell you on these pictures there, the seat looks more orange in the video and the pictures than it's going to in real life. If I can get around, sometimes I can get far enough away. There you go. So you see how that is now red? It doesn't wash out when I'm as far away. When I get up closer, it's going to wash out a little bit. Looks like it's faded or it's more orange. This seat is red, stock seat, and again, original mile car. Miles on it, 45,044 miles. And I mean, it shows. You can take a look at the dash. You can look at how this seat is worn. Do not believe that they repop this material at all. So you know this is original. Power windows, everything working on this car. Let's go ahead and start it up. Alright, notice a little glitch in the video there. Had to get the keys out of the trunk. Alright, as you can see, starts easily. Go around to the gauges here. Tachometer works. Clock is working. Oil pressure. And temp is starting to come up because I had it running just a little bit ago to make sure wipers and everything worked. So wipers worked. AC worked. Come over here, fuel gauge. Amp meter, all of that working. Your AM/FM cassette. And now down here is the turbo light, high and low, which is brightness. I'm going to click it on. There you can see it is working. Under boost, you're out driving the car, it will light those up as you get it under boost. Again, we have PHS documents on this. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. You should check out all the still pictures. So smooth that runs. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped so you can check out this engine bay. All right, you can hear that turbo with the hood open. Little hair dryer effect. AC, and it does blow cold, as I mentioned. Power steering, power brakes. This one will not disappoint, folks. Paint's very, very, very nice on it. Interior's nice. Equipment came out of a collection of a fussy individual that likes low mile, nice clean cars, and that's what you have here. You decided to part with it, now is your chance. 1981 Pontiac Turbo Trans Am, a 4.9 liter automatic, original color car, original interior. Looks good, sounds good. PHS docs on it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below the video in the description, click on the link. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.